called Oh Love. Ang kwento nito, ah, Beatlemania kasi ako. And then, syempre parang may mga 60 vibes na ako na napapakinggan. Tapos, first time ko lang nagsulat ng English na kanta. So, wala akong subject dito kung sino iniisip ko dito sa kanta na to. It's for all kung sino man yung makaka-relate dun sa kanta. Ngayon, ang message dito sa All Love, parang ito yung gusto mong sabihin dun sa tao na minamahal. So, it's called Oh Love. Oh Love. Never knew love till I met you. You opened my eyes and showed me what it's all about. You make me feel alive. You bring the sunshine. I never want to let you go. I can live without you. Oh, love. Ooh. My love. Ooh. Oh, love. It's the sweetest feeling in the world. It's the best thing that I ever happened to me. Ah, never knew happiness until I fell for you. You make me complete, and I don't wanna lose this feeling without you. Oh, love. Oh, darling, oh, my heart. Finally see the right time and place. It's all because of you. Oh, love. My love. Oh, love, it's the sweetest feeling in the world. It's the best thing that I ever happened to me. Never thought that I found someone like you. Now that I am, I never want to lose you. You're the one that I'll be waiting for. I love you every single day. Yeah, yeah. Oh, love. My love. Oh, no. It's the sweetest feeling in the world. It's the best thing that I ever happened to me. My love, my love.